कराग्रे वसते लक्ष्मी करमध्ये सरस्वती करमूले तु गोविन्दं प्रभाते करदर्शनम्. Namaste. Today's mudra is Sandhi Mudra, or it is also known as joint mudra. Gives relief in all types of joint pain. Sit comfortably and relaxed. Keep your back straight. This mudra is practiced differently with both the hands. So let me first demonstrate to you the finger position of the right hand. For performing this mudra, join the tip of the ring finger and thumb of your right hand. Okay. Place the tip of the ring finger and thumb of your right hand in contact with each other. Exert slight pressure at the point of contact. Keep the remaining three fingers straight and relaxed. Now let me demonstrate to you the finger position of the left hand. For the left hand, place the tip of the middle finger and the thumb in contact with each other and exert slight pressure at the point of contact. Keep the remaining three fingers straight and relaxed. So this is joint mudra or Sandhi mudra. Now place both these hands on your thighs, palms facing upwards. This mudra is preventive as well as curative, and thus the duration of practicing this mudra will vary accordingly. If this mudra is regularly practiced, it can keep you away from all joint problems. And people, those who are suffering from joint pain or chronic arthritis, need to practice this mudra on a regular basis to get relief from the pain. Now, before moving further, let me first discuss a little about joints and joint pain so that it will be easier for you to visualize the effect of this mudra. Now, all of you know joint is a point where two or more bones make contact or meet in order to allow movement. Now, most joints are mobile, allowing the bones to move. The anatomical structure of all mobile joints is identical. An outer covering called cartilage acts as a cushion between the bones of the joints. And during movement, the synovial fluid that is held in the cartilage is squeezed out mechanically to maintain a layer of fluid on the cartilage surface. So this synovial fluid helps to reduce the friction during movement. Now when joint space narrowing occurs due to inflammation, as a result of inflammation or decrease in the synovial fluid production, the cartilage no longer keeps the bones a normal distance apart. So this can be painful as the bones rub against each other and or put too much pressure on each other. And this leads to pain and stiffness in the joints. Now this mudra helps balance the space between the joints and also helps in balancing the energy in the joints. So this leads to reduction in pain and facilitates movement. Now, this is the result of balancing of earth element and space element in this mudra. Now, in this mudra, the ring finger represents the earth element and is balanced in this mudra, gets balanced in this mudra. And the middle finger represents the space element. So, therefore, these two elements are balanced in this mudra, thereby allowing the space between the joints to be maintained. This mudra is helpful in giving you relief in a number of conditions. Now, pain experienced in the knees while climbing down after a long hike or after a long walk or climbing down a lengthy flight of stairs is pacified by doing this mudra. Then practice of this mudra gives release from painful wrists, ankles, hip joints or knee joints due to arthritis. This mudra helps to resolve the unpleasant feeling that develops in your elbows after long hours of computer work. People who have to sit down for long periods of time, especially office goers in their chairs, or people who have to stand for long periods in the course of their work, should practice this mudra for 15 minutes twice or thrice a day to prevent development of stiffness or rigidity in the joints. This mudra is also known to increase the level of calcium in the body. So, all women post 30 years should practice this mudra on a regular basis. Now, duration of practicing this mudra. Under normal circumstances, uh, 10 minutes a day should suffice to keep you away from joint pain. Those suffering from any kind of joint pain or those suffering from chronic arthritis need to ardently practice this mudra for 30 minutes twice a day for it to be effective in providing relief from pain. Moreover, those suffering from arthritis over a long period of time should continue to do this mudra or practice this mudra for nearly 6 to 8 months or even longer to get complete relief from pain. Well, that's all for today. Thank you. See you next week with a new mudra.